Listen, I have a story for you. Something the Examiner will love. A healing, possibly divine. A girl performing miracles after a visitation from the Virgin Mary. Chicago, New York, D.C., every demographic on this planet is eating this up. Give me the exclusive. All right, I think I got this all set up. What do you say we do a couple real easy questions?
Film ini menceritakan seorang gadis tunarungu bernama Alice. Setelah kunjungan perawan Maria yang misterius tiba-tiba bisa mendengar, berbicara, dan menyembuhkan orang sakit. Ketika kabar menyebar dan orang-orang dari dekat dan jauh berkumpul untuk menyaksikan keajaibannya, seorang jurnalis yang dihina yang berharap untuk menghidupkan kembali karirnya, mengunjungi kota kecil di New England untuk menyelidiki ketika peristiwa menakutkan terjadi di sekitarnya. Dia mulai mempertanyakan apakah fenomena ini adalah karya perawan Maria atau sesuatu yang jauh lebih menyeramkan.
Investigate this visitation from the Blessed Virgin.
I have read several libraries worth on the supernatural. Investigated half a dozen miracles. Prove them all false. You think there could be other forces at play here?
When God builds a church, the devil builds a chapel next door.
Don't doubt her. Doubt weakens faith. Hail Mary, full of grace, pray for us sinners, now and at the hour of our death.
This is not the work of the Virgin Mary. It's the work of the unholy.
Faith in evil empowers evil.
Believe in her. Offer your souls to Mary.
Holy Mary, Mother of God, the Lord is with you.
Thank you all for coming. If Maggie were here, she'd just tell you all to make yourselves at home. The greatest thing about Maggie was this deep love that she had for Jenny. If I'm honest, I could have been a better father. Now I've got to do that. I got to be great for Jenny.
Film ini menceritakan gadis berusia 8 tahun bernama Jenny, yang terus-menerus terjebak di tengah perselisihan antara ibu pengacaranya Maggie dan ayah artisnya Jeff. Dia menjalani kehidupan yang kesepian tapi imajinatif. Dikelilingi oleh boneka yang disebut Grizzlykin yang didasarkan pada karya ayahnya. Ketika Maggie terbunuh secara tragis dalam tabrak lari, Jeff dan Jenny mencoba mengumpulkan kehidupan baru. Tetapi ketika ayah Maggie menuntut hak asuh, dan pengasuh Samantha mencoba menjadi wanita baru di rumah tersebut, kehidupan di rumah kota Brooklyn mereka berubah menjadi gelap. Boneka dan karakter menakutkan menjadi hidup dan hanya Jenny yang bisa melihatnya. Ketika motif makhluk mengerikan itu menjadi jelas, nyawa setiap orang berada dalam bahaya besar.
This is darkness.
What does it want?
To inflict pain.
She's trying to give us a message. We must be quiet, or else we'll scare her away.
He told me his story. These are his memories. Can you feel him now? In the earth?
No, I don't know what you mean.
I think you do.
So what are you working on?
Searching ways of making crops more efficient.
Funny place to study crops in a forest.
We had to send a rescue party in to get a group out a couple of months ago. They got lost.
Why didn't they use GPRS?
There's no phone reception in there. People get a bit funny in the woods sometimes.
you worried she's going to get you?
Yeah, who is it?
It's a local folktale. She's the spirit of the woods.
Film ini menceritakan saat dunia mencari obat untuk virus yang merusak. Seorang ilmuwan dan pengintai taman menjelajah jauh ke dalam hutan untuk menjalankan peralatan rutin. Sepanjang malam, perjalanan mereka menjadi perjalanan yang menakutkan, melalui jantung kegelapan, dan tiba-tiba hutan pun menjadi hidup di sekitar mereka.
I saw something in the woods.
It wants to talk.
What do you want?
Everything seems to just keep us here.
How do you know, husband, whether you will save your wife?
We make plans for things. Life happens. I want to live a bigger life.
You know, Anne, I am surprised.
Film ini menceritakan seorang wanita bernama Annie. Annie menikah dengan seorang pendeta kota kecil. Dia merasa kehidupan dan pernikahannya telah menyusut selama 30 tahun terakhir. Secara kebetulan, Annie bertemu dengan The Master. Dia menemukan bekas gigitan di lehernya. Rasa baru akan kekuatan dan keinginan untuk hidup lebih besar, dan lebih berani dari sebelumnya. Ketika Annie semakin terpecah antara keberadaan barunya yang memikat dan kehidupannya sebelumnya. Jumlah tubuh bertambah, dan Jacob menyadari dia harus berjuang untuk istri yang dia anggap remeh.
That's odd. You've got new teeth coming in. What?
Anne.
Oh, good, you're home. Get changed. I'd like to go out.
40 years I've known this woman. Every day the same. Now, I don't know who I'm coming home to.
How much of that could I get?
You want the blood?
I feel more alive than I have in years.
Hey, Mrs. Fetter, you all right? Mrs. Fetter?
It wasn't me.
Of course it was you!
Why didn't you tell me when this first happened?
I felt ashamed.
As you should. Husbands, love your wife. He who loves his wife loves himself.
So effed up!
That looks heavy.
I want to make my own decisions from now on.
You ever see something you couldn't explain, Sheriff?
You don't know how to fight for me because you've never done it.
Give me the strength to save her soul!
We need to finish this!
How you gonna write this one up, Deputy?
Domestic dispute. Non-violent.
I think I found someone to produce my next album. His name's Vaughn Daniels. It says he was tried for murder. He was acquitted. Come in. Mr. Daniels.
I'm glad you're here, Gray.
This is my girlfriend, Charlie. Hi. I get the creeps. Since you got here,
Film ini menceritakan seorang gadis bernama Gray. Dia seorang penyanyi indie yang album pertamanya sukses besar. Gray mendapat undangan untuk bekerja sama dengan produser musik terkenal, Vaughn Daniels. Jarak studio yang jauhnya di hutan, bersama dengan pacar atau kekasihnya Charlie mereka tiba di mansionnya. Dan pekerjaan pun dimulai. Tapi Gray mendapat penglihatan bahwa dia adalah serigala. Saat Gray mulai berubah menjadi manusia serigala, dia mulai mencari tahu siapa dia sebenarnya.
This place is doing something to you. It's not this place.
You can't run away from your destiny.
I don't know who you are anymore. It's not safe for you here.
Do you want to be a predator, or do you want to be prey?